What's up, y'all? Good morning. Happy Saturday, or whenever you're watching this. It is Saturday, August 3rd, and we are actually headed camping. So the whole family's in the car, well, waiting on Daddy. He forgot to do something. You know what? He be rushing me every single time. He be rushing me, and he likes to sit in the car like he's all ready. And then every single time, I promise you, we gotta turn around because he forgot something. He forget his wallet. He forget this. He forget that. This time, so we're going camping, like I said, and we got a military, well, a veteran discount, because y'all know Mark's a veteran. So we got a veteran discount, and he had to just bring a picture of his DD-214, and he's like, oh, I forgot that, as we were pulling out the development. And I'm like, yeah, but you in the car acting like it's all me that you waiting on. Here he is now. But yeah, we're headed to camp. We are headed to Palmatumi State Park. It is about an hour away from where we live, and we're on a little road trip. Got the whole family packed up, and we're ready to go. I think it's gonna be a really fun weekend. You excited?
Yeah.
Talking to the kid?
You.
Sure.
Whatever.
Miss Morris excited than I was the last time I went out here.
What?
So I'm more excited than the last time I went out here.
Why is that?
Because it's a bigger space.
You didn't know what was going on last time, though.
You're right.
So that's untrue.
I knew that it was going to be small, and I don't really love camping. I'm not a big camping person.
Whatever.
So...
Anyway, introduce us. If it's your first time watching, hello. My name is Cece. This is my husband Mark. This is Bradley Party of 6. Welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not. Join the family. Excuse me. Also follow us on Instagram as well.
And download some games.
And download some games. What type of games did you download? They download them. All right. So we have 4 children. There they all are on their devices. All on iPads.
We don't talk like that on Bradley Party 6.
We don't talk about like what?
Like introductions. We just kind of get right into the video.
Okay.
I know it's been a long time since we've been over here.
Anyway. They're all on their devices back there, which we're going to take when we get to camp, because they're not going to be doing this all weekend. We taking that iPad, boy.
Why?
Because you ain't going to be on it all weekend.
Yes, I am.
What? Or not? Alright. We'll see you guys in a bit. What do you see? Oh, there is a horse.
Right there.
Come on. You need to get back, huh? Yeah. Huh? You gonna play with this? Yeah. Hi. You start a new house? Just for a couple days. Come on. Uh-huh. Come on. Oh. Yeah, we'll come back. Oh, they just finished cleaning. What's up, y'all? Good morning. Happy Sunday. Woo, child. I look terrible. Thing in the morning, y'all, and kids are still asleep. It's not first thing in the morning, actually. They're just lazy. It's 9:46. We just got up. But I'm about to start making breakfast, so I bought stuff to make eggs, bacon, sausage, grits. Is that it? Eggs, bacon, and biscuits. Eggs, bacon, sausage, grits, and biscuits. So we have our little kitchen right here. So I'm about to get started. It would be nice if you could grill the sausage. I don't think I got enough pans to make everything at once. I don't think I have enough pans to make everything at once, even in the oven. I've already thought of that. So we got bacon, cheese, sausage, and eggs. And biscuits.
You woke me up. Talking on the phone with your mama.
I knew they would be calling.
Is that right?
They would have really woke you up if I'd have been in the room. When they called, I knew they would be calling or something. Once I saw that time, I was like, oh.
What's up, everybody? So, Cece said we are up. This cabin is bigger than our last cabin. I have to show you guys if I can find the video. I know I can. I gotta go back and because it's back on our early vlogging day.
What's up, y'all? So we made it. We're here.
That we are.
What? He's being so dramatic right now. He really is. So we made it here. We're at Palmatooning State Park, and I'm gonna show you guys our cabin. It's like tiny. Whatever. So yeah, this literally, I'm at the front door, y'all. This is the whole cabin right here. So you get to like the little kitchenette areas. We have this little bit of counter space and a sink, 2 burner stove, that little tiny like dorm refrigerator. We have a table over here, a bed. This couch turns into a pull-out, so the kids will sleep on this. Plus we got an air bed also. And then we have this little baby bathroom here. I mean, it'll work. It's just for a day and a half. Like, it'll work. It's not a big deal. So bathroom, and then the little tiny baby shower.
And then my bed that I haven't even, my twin size bed that I.
It's not a twin size bed. You're being real dramatic right now.
But this cabin is far bigger than that cabin was. But it's still not like It's not a massive cabin. But it's cabin. It's supposed to be camping. So I'll show you guys what this looks like. So the boy over here, he on this game, was playing Uno No Mercy last night. In the middle of a game, it got late, and I was tired, and I told the girls we'll have to finish this in the morning. So still got our cars over there, but no fireplace, TV that leads to an outside enclosed porch. I'm standing by the front door. Over here is the kitchen area with it's a full refrigerator. Everybody else got a small refrigerator, which they have updated some of these places, because when we came here, it was not a full refrigerator. Like even close to, this is our full refrigerator, but the refrigerator we had at the other cabin did not even look like this, wasn't even close, and they got better ones now, because everybody else is staying in the regular space. But kitchen area, microwave, stove, sink, fridge, and you walk in here, you go this way, you got the closet, extra towels, got the vacuum, extra towels, toilet paper. Walk over here, it's the second bedroom. Got the double bunk beds. It's Morgan up there. Double bunk beds. Want the full queen over here. It's Queen's Lazy Bones over here in this area. Then off of that, sorry, no, it's lived in. We didn't get to get you guys to like tour without it being lived in, but you got the bathroom area, the shower, sink around the corner there, and then right off of that is the other bedroom. It's just a queen size bed in here. No TVs in the bedrooms, and no area to put your things. So yeah, Cece is up cooking breakfast. She does it so well. So also I'm gonna leave her to it. I don't know what's the plans for today. I think we're going to the festival today. I'm not sure, but
our stuff and set up over there.
So, oh yeah, we're gonna chill over there where everybody else is at. Grab the canopy and all that stuff is still over there. You brought our chairs back even though you wasn't supposed to.
I didn't know where else to put them.
Put them back in your mom and your dad's car. But anyway, we're gonna be heading back over there to hang out with everybody else. Because literally everybody else is it's like a 5-minute walk from where we are. It's not that far away. 30-second drive literally from where we are. So after we eat breakfast and stuff like that, figure out what everybody else is doing, and get our full day of camping started. I actually have to may have to take off today because Mari is in the midst of camp. He has a scrimmage this week, and they're about 2 weeks away from football season started. So he actually has to get back to Cleveland. So figure out how this is gonna go. So I might be taking an hour trip. So. Strike!
And she sucks at doing That was only one. No, I didn't hit it.
Here I am.
That's the ball.
Well, you wasn't trying to. Back up. Back up, quick.
Not doing that. No.
Back up, quick. You can face to me more. Back up, back up, back up, quick. They really appreciate it. Straight two. Ready?
The grand finale of MJ getting straight out. And don't miss it. Here, don't.
It's 1, 2. Miss it. Oh, catch it, Riot. Catch it.
You suck at catching. Oh my God. I can get that big shot.
Hang on, keep us to running.
Good job.
Where is this thing?
You should have.
You're doing better than you did in Chicago.
Good job. Use your leg. Support. Use your leg. Yes, you can. Come on.
Grab that one right there. Yes. There you go. You got it. You got it. You got it. You almost there. Currently kicking Cece's ass in cornhole. Said I'm currently kicking Cece's ass in cornhole. It's 3-0. She want to run one more back. I don't know if I ever told y'all this, but Cece like owns me in table hockey. But that's it. Like she can't beat me in any other game besides table hockey. I don't know why she can kick my ass in table hockey like she can, but I must suck at table hockey. But every other. What? Or is she just good? Whatever you want to say. But one more game of cornhole. Well, we'll play more today, but we're gonna go one more game of cornhole. It's 3-0 right now.
I love you, with my girl. You see, I will tell you, but you're so steady. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight. You don't have to go. It's okay, girl, 'cause I'ma be alright tonight.
You should be able to feed yourself.
You
should be able to feed yourself.
Tears and night.
That's mama.
What's up, everybody? It is
my daddy and me and daddy when we get home. I'm gonna beat them in Mario.
You're gonna beat me and Mario. What's up, everybody? So it's Monday, August 5th, and we are headed back to Cleveland, Ohio. It's about 10:10 in the morning. For a queen size bed in the middle of a park. I actually slept far better than I've slept ever when I go to like nice hotels with king size bed. I don't know if it's just because we had so much fun playing cornhole and just hanging out with family and talking, and being beat at the end of the night. I'm pretty sure that had something to do with it, but I slept great last night. So it was nice.
Good, but very cold.
It was cold.
My dad called an hour ago and my mom called 8 minutes ago.
That's what I knew. So Mari left yesterday. I didn't talk to you guys a whole lot after cornhole, but Mari left yesterday. He actually had football practice this morning, actually. And my mother and father-in-law, Cece's mom and dad, were supposed to stay until Monday, but Cece's mom She had surgery, or she just had like having knee pain?
Her knee just hurting.
She's been having some knee pain, and like these
She's
cat.
been complaining about her knee been hurting since we went to that wedding and she was dancing. She's been complaining about her knee been hurting.
So she was having like uncomfortable last night. She said when she slept in the bed on Saturday night, she was uncomfortable because they was gonna stay over, but then they ended up going home last night. So Mari went with them so he can get up and go to football practice this morning. So, but we in the car now. I think it was a successful weekend trip. Would you agree?
Agreed. It was a great time.
I think next time we were talking, even the kids had so much fun. Might come out here and actually do an extra day because the kids have fun. And this was like, for 6 people, this was like pretty inexpensive.
It was really inexpensive. $200 something.
$200
for 2 nights.
Yeah. Got to hang out with family and friends. We kicked down on some food. Obviously, we spent probably like $80 on food. But still, $300 for a weekend trip with the 6 people, and got to hang out with family and friends. And with Deuce too. Deuce is part of family. So back to Cleveland we go. Got the day off.
She's
so
coming out empty-handed.
She don't know where her AirPods are. Maybe she packed them and she didn't know. We waiting on Morgan. That's why we're sitting here. We're waiting on Morgan. She supposedly went to get her AirPods from the room.
Why are you empty-handed?
With a true story of how Selectco Coast America provides term life insurance. A while back, a man called me with prostate cancer. He asked if I could beat a very high rating out from another agent. I got to work.